Imagine an action camera that doesn't just record your adventures, but actually transforms to fit them. Dreame, a name we usually associate with high-tech vacuums, has just shocked the tech world by unveiling a powerhouse, the Leaptic Cube, an action camera featuring a fully detachable 8K recording module. This might just be the most versatile camera we've seen in years. The product is called the Dreame Leaptic Cube 8K action camera. It was recently introduced by Dreame, a brand active in consumer electronics and smart home devices. Early details come from reports published by Notebook Check. According to those reports, the Leaptic Cube is positioned as a modular action camera designed to offer flexibility in how it is used and mounted. Based on available information, the Dreame Leaptic Cube features a detachable camera unit capable of recording up to 8K video. This camera module can be removed from its base, allowing it to be used independently in different scenarios. Reports indicate that the cube-shaped base serves multiple purposes. It is said to house additional hardware such as power components, controls, and connectivity features. The modular design is intended to expand shooting options compared to fixed-body action cameras. According to early specifications, the camera supports multiple recording modes. These include high-resolution video capture and standard photo functions. Exact frame rates and resolution limits may depend on firmware and recording settings. Electronic image stabilization is mentioned in early coverage. This feature is commonly used to reduce shake during movement-heavy recording. Actual stabilization performance may vary based on conditions and motion intensity. Wireless connectivity and mobile app support have also been referenced. These features are typically used for remote control, live preview, and file transfer. However, full software capabilities have not been fully detailed. Battery performance has not been extensively outlined in early reports. As with many compact action cameras, recording time may be affected by resolution, temperature, and usage patterns. Pricing and regional availability have not yet been officially confirmed. From a broader perspective, the Leaptic Cube appears to reflect growing interest in modular camera designs that prioritize versatility alongside high-resolution recording. From what we can see so far, the Leaptic Cube is a fascinating pivot for Dreame. It reflects a growing trend where users value versatility just as much as raw specs. If they can nail the software experience, this modular design could really disrupt the market. For now, the Leaptic Cube is a one to watch. As more units hit the field and firmware updates roll out, we'll see if it lives up to the 8K hype. But what do you think? Is a detachable 8K module enough to make you switch from your current setup? Let me know in the comments.